Once upon a time, in a vibrant and lively forest, lived a fox known as Crafty, renowned for his clever and sneaky tricks. Crafty met a rooster. Crafty said,
"Rooster, you sing so well. Can you close your eyes and sing?"
The rooster closed his eyes and began to sing. While he sang, Crafty sneaked away with some of his grains. When the rooster opened his eyes, he said,
"Oh no! The fox was so crafty."
Next, Crafty met an elephant. He said,
"Elephant, you are so big and strong. Can you close your eyes and count to 100?
The elephant closed his eyes and began to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
While he counted, Crafty stole his peanuts. When the elephant opened his eyes, he said,
Oh no! Crafty Fox tricked me too.
Then, Crafty met a deer. He said,
Dear, your horns are so pretty. Can you close your eyes and show me how you sleep?
The deer closed her eyes and pretended to sleep. Crafty stole her apples while she slept. When the deer opened her eyes, she said,
Crafty Fox is too cunning.
After that, Crafty met a lion. He said,
Lion, you are very strong. I have heard you can run very fast. Can you show me how fast you can run?
The lion, eager to show his speed, started running. While he was running, Crafty swiftly took his food. When the lion returned, he said,
Oh no! I was distracted and Crafty tricked me.
Finally, Crafty met a bunny. He said,
Bunny, you jump so high. Can you close your eyes and jump?
But Bunny was smart. Bunny said,
No, Crafty. I will watch my carrots. I won't close my eyes.
Crafty tried to steal the carrots, but Bunny was too quick. Crafty said,
Oh no! Bunny is too smart for me.
This story teaches us to be mindful and smart. Being clever is good, but being kind and honest is better. And sometimes, even the most crafty can be outsmarted.